Do not invest in small cap companies or mid cap companies because they are really bad investment choices. Are small cap and mid cap company bad investment choices? True or false? Absolutely false. Please invest in good quality small cap and mid cap companies. Do your research, understand why are you investing in that company, understand the business of that company, and I'll tell you why you should do that. Because if you invest in good quality mid cap companies, the growth that you can get in those companies is going to be tremendous. Let me give you my example. This is not a stock tip, but I'm giving you hardcore facts from my own portfolio. I invested in companies like Voltas and Escort Motors about 10 years ago. I'm not going to give you any details. I'm not going to bore you with the facts. Just go and check the growth of these two companies. For an example, how these companies have grown in the last 10 years, and then compare it to some of the blue chips of the world, and you'll understand the CAGR, the compounded average growth rate of these companies, has been much better than so many other companies. The point that I'm trying to tell you is, do your research and find good small cap and mid cap companies. I'll tell you what the problem is with small cap and mid cap companies. If you don't do your research correctly, you may end up investing in companies which show a lot of promise, but because of management issues, because of bad business policies, because of not doing everything that they're supposed to do in the right manner, or because some other big cap companies or some international company comes and captures over their market, they end up losing money and they end up losing a lot of market space. So be careful when you're investing in small cap companies and mid cap companies, but do not ignore this particular category of markets, because there is tremendous growth in this country, and India is at a very interesting stage. The small cap and mid cap companies of today are going to be the blue chips of tomorrow. So find your way into the best blue chip companies that you can find of tomorrow. Do your research, start investing in these companies, and I wish you all the luck with your investments. I hope this video has given you some value, it has given you some food for thought, it has given you some perspective. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me on social media. Ask me your questions in the comments below. I will try and answer them for you as much as I can. And please do not forget to hit subscribe, because this month I am literally changing the pattern of these videos. I am literally creating these capsule size videos so that you can watch just 3 minutes, 5 minutes and understand a very complicated subject in a very simple manner. I hope this is helping you. I'm Manish Ahuja. This is Paycheck to Profit, India's first online community trying to help people grow their wealth, get over their money blocks, strengthen their money mindset, learn about investment, and get financially free. That's about me. That's about it from me in today's video. I'll now see you in the next video. Until then, please keep smiling, take care of your loved ones, and stay happy. Ka-ching!